Hi guys, Campfire with Josh here. I hope you guys are doing well. The people have spoken over at Instagram asking me to start a YouTube channel. So let's do it. Now, for those who don't know me, I'm camping with Josh over on Instagram, and I've been wild camping for the past 3 years, sleeping in hammocks, making my own shelters, sleeping in tents, sleeping in caves, sleeping by rivers. The list goes on. I can't even think on the top of my head where I've camped, but I've slept in very comfortable situations and very rough situations. And today I'm going to be sleeping under the stars with my sleeping bag, as it's such a beautiful day. So I'm really excited to get you guys on this journey with me, and I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope you enjoy getting to know me a little bit more. See you in a bit. Absolutely beautiful. Hey little guy. Hey. How are you? Beautiful. So every time I've camped at Skelton Tower, I've not bumped into a single person. But you know us British, as soon as the sun comes out, we go out. So there's quite a few people about. Other little hikers that I've said hello to along the way. A little bit obvious what I'm doing with a rolled mat on my back, but never mind. Hopefully they'll be going home at some point today so I can get my camping gear out and cook myself a meal. You know, it just feels so right to be outdoors right now. The sun is absolutely beautiful. It's just peaceful, it's quiet. You can hear the birds sing and just nothing else. It's absolutely gorgeous out here. So I'm excited to bring you guys along with me. It's going to be a very, very good one. Very relaxing one. I'm going to be seeing a couple of friends of mine come and join me later on. So they'll be joining me in probably about 2 hours time. So before they come, I'm going to set up camp, I think, and get some food going. So that was pretty cool seeing that plane. And also I saw a helicopter flying past as well. But I got chatting to some hikers just walking by, and they told me that Tom Cruise is out filming his latest movie, and he's out here right now flying one of those planes or helicopters. I mean, that's just awesome. So enough about Tom Cruise. I think it's time for me to figure out where I'm sleeping. But I've got an idea where I'm sleeping tonight. I need to watch my step because I'm going to be heading down this steep hill, because when I came here camping the first time with my mate Jack and Ben, we saw this little cave. I don't know if you should call it a cave because it's a bit small. Let me show you. It's pretty exciting. Nice little natural shelter. Nice little natural roof. And just look at that. So that's where I'm going to be sleeping tonight, guys. Pretty exciting. I mean, just look at that. That's just perfect. I think I should give it a little go, I think. Let's give it a test. There's quite a bit of sheep poo, to be honest. So I'm glad I've got my floor mat. I might get a stick and just brush those out of the way. But yeah, a little bit of poo won't hurt someone. I mean, that is pretty perfect. I don't know about you, but this is pretty perfect. Oh, nice. Let me show you the view. I brought with me is my DD Hammock Magic Carpet. I love the name of this. I'm going to have to make some crazy video of it. But it's basically a ground sheet just to keep yourself dry. So I'm going to put this underneath my mat just in case there's some morning dew or any dampness that might come through during the night or the early hours of the morning. So I'm going to get this down there now. Perfect. I'm really looking forward to waking up and just be able to just look out to the sunset like this. And if it does randomly rain during the night, I'll be nice and dry. I just picked up some sheep wool from that tree. That's pretty cool. Some nice little dry sticks. But because I got my firebox, it's off the ground, it's safe. And little stuff like this will give me enough heat to cook up my meal. So let's go. Let's get cooking. As you can see, that little stove I've got there has been used quite a few times. so I've got a bit of marks on my face, but never mind. Just want to quickly say thank you to Caveman Style for gifting me this lovely, lovely cooking knife with its leather sheath. Look at that. That is nice. I'm looking forward to cutting to my veg with this. Absolutely beautiful. Thank you very much. Now, I was thinking with this sheet wool, I'm going to mix this lint that you get from your tumble dryer with some Vaseline and the sheet wool all together to make a nice fire starter. Let's see if this can get the fire going. Oh, now I'm hungry. But first, a little drinker. Strawberry Tiger's 12.4% rooftop jacuzzi. Check that out. Strawberry chocolate smoked cherry wood chipped imperial dessert stout. If it's a dessert stout, maybe I should eat this. Eat this? Drink this afterwards. while we're waiting for my friends to join me to enjoy the rest of this sunset, you might be wondering, Josh, what is Skelton Tower? You've mentioned the name, now tell me the history. Well, while I'm eating this, let me explain a little bit about this place.
The romantic ruins of Skelton Tower are perched on the edge of Newtondale and command amazing views towards Goathland Moor to the north, Pickering to the south, and down Newtondale itself and over the track of the North Yorkshire Moors Railway. In addition to the North Yorkshire Moors Railway, the location offers expansive walks across the moors and through the woodland, meadows and hills of the magnificent Newtondale. The two-storey tower was built around 1830 as a shooting lodge by a former rector of Levisham, the Reverend Robert Skelton. Some say that he wrote his sermons in the lodge, but it's also rumoured that he escaped here to enjoy a quiet drink. The grassy headland it sits upon is called Cornhill Point because the pastures around about were ploughed up and used for growing crops during the Napoleonic Wars. What I like about this location is that the ground surrounding Skelton Tower is nice and flat, allowing anybody to come and access it. For those families who want to go with their children to have a picnic, those steady, slow walkers or those experienced hikers, or those train spotters who want to capture a glimpse of the steam train on the North Yorkshire Moors Railway. It's definitely the perfect spot to witness the sunrise and the sunset. All I ask is leave no trace for the next wanderers to enjoy the vast views.
Well, that food went down a lovely little treat, along with a bit of history of Skelton Tower. Now my friends Jack and Savannah and their lovely little dog have arrived at camp to join me and enjoy the rest of this beautiful sunset behind me. It's now time for me to sign off and then be part of the moment and enjoy real conversation. Check out that moon. It's gonna be a beautiful night. Anyway, catch you guys in the morning. Peace out.
Like down the pole sort of thing. I think what I'll do is I'll change these.
Quite a decent little fight, isn't it?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
It's not bad really, considering the size of it. It doesn't look like it would do much, does it? But
Yeah.
all round there.
Good morning everybody. It's just gone 5 a.m. I was woken up by the sound of the birds singing. Can you hear them? With that massive woodland just down there, they're just all chirping away. And of course the woodland behind me as well. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. You might be wondering where this bag has come from. Well, when my friends arrived yesterday, I went back to the car to get a few beers. Cheers everyone. Cheers to you. Morning. Oh. Yeah, buddy. What an absolute beautiful morning. What a way to start the day. I mean, beautiful sunrise, beautiful views all around me.
it's going to be a good day. I'm going to head back down to my little shelter and pack up camp and get home and have a wash. But guys, thank you so much for joining me on my first YouTube video, and I hope you enjoyed it. There'll be plenty more to come, different styles of camping, hammock camping, tent camping, tarp camping, just camping. Like and subscribe. So when I came camping, because it was such a nice sunny day, I decided to bring some sunglasses, but I've learned not to pack them in your bag. Oh. Perfect. So here it is. Here's where I slept last night. Very nice. Nice and clean. Just how I found it, if not cleaner. Leave no trace, guys. You know, there's something nice about camping with friends, sitting around the fire, enjoying a few beers and great conversation. Thank you Wold Top Brewery for supplying me with the beers. The Valhalla and Odin beer was beautiful. I love the dark notes and flavours, so good job on those. But I think my next adventure is going to be a solo one. Maybe I'll take you guys up to my shelter that I've been building in the woods. I think I need to get that cracking again and get those walls built. If you don't know what I'm talking about and you're new here, check my Instagram, Camping with Josh, and you will see all the behind the scenes of building that shelter and daily posts. And I'm going to be hopefully doing regular YouTube videos as well. Thank you for joining me, guys. See you next time. Be like Jack and Savannah and keep your dog on the lead. What, the little running bit? Yeah. Just for you.